Hello guys, Mr. Zabis here. I have a problem with the Windows 11. So when I start the game, this X3 Farms Legacy, let me show you how it looks like. See? This is the video. It's not how it's supposed to look like. And also in the game, all the videos are like that. You can see here. Let me install Windows 10 instead. And actually, I tried Windows 11 and kinda didn't like it. English, United Kingdom, yeah, I'll go. I don't have a product key. Windows 10 Pro. Custom install. Okay, so just to be sure. Zero drive, this is the Linux. Yeah, this one. The previous install of Windows, so Windows 11. So let me clean it. Okay, good. So now I have this is the Linux. I will leave it as is, and an allocated space. This is the drive one, so use it now. Okay, as you may have noticed, the grub was overwritten as usual by Windows, so yeah, something to restore later. Okay, United Kingdom, yeah, that's correct. United Kingdom. Nope. Okay, setup for personal use. Okay, offline account, yes, offline account. As usual, the first user will be admin to set up and install the programs and everything else. Not the actual user. The actual user will be different and a simple user without administrator privileges. Something silly for now. Again, security questions. Yeah, sure. Okay, it seems video drivers were installed in the background. The set required. No, don't spy on me. Nice one. Already some small error, some kind of error, live account related. Okay, that's it for this video. See you guys.